what you see here is my VirtualBox virtual machine. I'm running Ubuntu on it, and in Ubuntu I installed Node.js and NodeRED. So there's plenty of material on the internet. You can Google NodeRED and Ubuntu. You can install it from Ubuntu software library or snaps. And we can go into full installation of Node-RED later, but we'll assume you have Node-RED running on a Raspberry Pi, a VM, or some kind of appliance. And that's what you see here. So Node-RED is running. So for all intents and purposes, this is what we need. We're going to come back here after we set up AWS and Amazon and show you a couple other things that needed to be configured on the device. So this is my device. This is my sensor. And what we're going to do now is set up AWS. So we'll assume that you have a AWS account and you've managed your way to AWS IoT. Well, one of the first things you need to do is in the management of things. So I have a thing called Perry Mac. It doesn't have a type, but I'll show you what are the important steps here. So if you go into create a thing, we're going to create one single thing. We're going to call it demo 1. And the thing type, I have a test type that was created. You can use the type, create your own. You can create groups of things. For example, if you have environmental sensors versus beacons versus whatnot, you can configure this any way you want. But for the intent and purpose of this, we're going to navigate our way down into the credentials and certificates. So I want to just hit create a certificate and let it chug on these. And this is important. You need to download these certificates as well as the root certificate from Symantec. And after you do that, you're able to attach a policy. Now, this is necessary because AWS is going to require these certificates for the device to attach and authenticate. So if I go back here and I open up another window, I created a directory called AWS on my VirtualBox. And in there, I placed my certificate, the public key, and a private key as well as the root CA that was downloaded from Symantec. So this is important. Place this on the device that you're intending to provision.